we're gonna pour this all in there. Put your yolks in. Nicely, one at a time. There we go. Move that over. We're gonna come and season this with salt and pepper. Perfect. Get rid of this excess. Just push it over the side. You can put it on top later. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and push it over to the sides. Alright, nice. Now, crispy bacon. Listen to that. All over there. All over that. We're gonna go ahead and grab the spatula. Crack our yolks. Let a little mix. Perfect. Go ahead. Now, a little cheese. Just a little cheddar, not too much. We all love the cheese, but this time we're going light on the cheese. Some chives. Perfect. Beautiful, fresh. In the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and grab some buns. Move that over. Now that we have our buns, we're gonna go ahead and place them here. One at a time. Get a little butter. And let that melt beautifully, deliciously. Just a little, not too much. We don't want them soggy, but we do want a nice toast when we flip them over right here. That's what we're looking for. We're gonna let that toast just a minute. We're gonna go ahead and grab some onions, some nicely caramelized onions. All right. Now we're just gonna go ahead and wait for these to get nice and toasty, hot, and as they get hot and toasted, they're also gonna help us get this process going faster. Here we go. Place them on top, one at a time. Beautiful. Perfect. Again, we come back and we get rid of this excess. Just put it to the side. There we go. Toast these. Just press down on them. You can hear that sizzle. I can feel it on my hands, nice and hot. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab another spatula and slice them to separate. Just there. And you know, this is a super easy recipe to do for friends or family, or even for yourself if you're super hungry. Go ahead and flip these over. Wow, it smells extra. As you can see, our eggs are nicely cooked. That's what we want. Put that over. Nice. Got all that coming out there. And place it on top after with this last one. And we're gonna go ahead and grab our hot dogs. Bacon wrapped hot dogs. Flame grilled. Come back one more time, get some cheddar, little tomato action for the freshness, Just a little jalapenos for that spice. And for the crisp, we can go ahead and put some crispy onions, fried onions. I'll go ahead and grab this for y'all and put it in a nice little tray to present it to y'all. Ooh, I can almost taste these bad boys. Look at that. It's right here. And all you need